equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. You'll also need a new screen compatible with the Lenovo IdeaPad 530s. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the back panel. This usually involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the edges. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, locate the battery connector and disconnect it to prevent any electrical issues during the repair. Now, focus on the screen assembly. You will find more screws securing the screen to the hinges. Remove these screws and gently tilt the screen forward. At this point, if you feel uncertain about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the situation and provide you with options. Once the screen is tilted forward, you will see the display cable connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this cable using your tweezers. It's important to handle this step with care to avoid damaging the connector. Now, take your new screen and connect the display cable to the motherboard. Ensure it's securely attached before proceeding. Align the new screen with the hinges and replace the screws you removed earlier. This will secure the screen in place. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the performance of your laptop. If you're not comfortable with cleaning, or if you prefer a hassle-free option, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your repair needs. Once everything is clean and the new screen is secured, reconnect the battery and replace the back panel. Screw it back into place, ensuring all screws are tightened properly. Finally, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad 530s to test the new screen. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your screen. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision on how to proceed. This concludes our tutorial on replacing the screen of your Lenovo IdeaPad 530s. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your repair. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.